guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you all for being here. Today in the kitchen, I'll be showing you how to make this delicious cheeseburger. To get started, I have some ground beef here and I'll be using some garlic and onion powder, sazon, complete seasoning, seasoned salt, bouillon, black pepper, some garlic, Hoisin sauce, and some fresh green seasoning. I'll leave the link down below to the green seasoning recipe. So the first thing you want to do is combine all of the dry seasoning so that it can be evenly distributed onto the ground beef. Then you want to generously coat the ground beef with the seasoning. We will also add some of our fresh green seasoning and some of that garlic Hoisin sauce. I will leave all the measurements that I use down in the description box. Then you want to get in there with your hands and just massage that meat. Make sure that all the seasonings are evenly distributed. Then we will cover it and allow it to rest and marinate for about an hour or two. Now let's make a quick sauce for the burgers using some mayonnaise. I will add to that some ranch dressing. Then we'll go in with some ketchup and some hot sauce as well as some sweet relish. We'll mix the combine and set that aside. So now we'll go ahead and start forming our patties. Feel free to form them in whatever size you like. And you will continue this process until you're all out of ground beef. And remember, they do not have to be perfect. I kind of like the rustic look because it shows that it's homemade. And that's what I like about when they're not perfect. You know, them perfect patties are the ones that store-bought and stuff. So yeah. So once we're done, I'll show you guys the next step. So today I'll be using my air fryer and I have it preheated to 390 degrees Fahrenheit. We'll cook these for about 10 to 12 minutes. After about 10 minutes, this is what they are looking like. They are perfect. You didn't need to cook them for the full 12 minutes because they are thin. And now we will place our Colby and Jack cheese. You could use whatever cheese you like on these, and the heat from the burgers will actually melt the cheese. So we will remove them and yeah, carry on with the same step. Just cook up all your patties and then we'll get ready to assemble our burgers. So the first thing I like to do is just go ahead and add that sauce on both sides of my bun. If you want, you can toast your bun first, but today I was in a rush and I didn't feel like using the stove and other cooking appliances, so I just decided to do it this way. And I will now sit my lettuce, then we'll add some tomato. We will now add one of our patties and then we'll go in with some pickled red onions. I will leave the recipe for that in my description box. Then we will add our second patty and we will add the other half of our bun. And that's it. Our burger is all done. It is so beautiful. Look at it. Perfect. And it tastes absolutely amazing. The patty was well seasoned and flavorful, and it's everything you would want in a double cheeseburger. And here you have it, the perfect double cheeseburger. I hope you all give this recipe a try. If you enjoy my video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it, and leave a comment down below. I'll leave all the ingredients and measurements that I use down in my description box, and I'll see you all next time. Thank you for watching. I appreciate your support. And as always, enjoy.